Hello, I'm going to give you some best practices and advices that we have when using Tribu. So first, the frequency. How often should we run this, right? I don't know if you know retrospective meetings. Some people do them once every week, every 2 weeks, or even every month, alright? This is something similar, but it's going to help you relieve some time of all the team. You can run Tribu asynchronously, ask them questions, and then get the data. So when you get together, you can understand all together what's happening and what you could improve all together. So what is our recommendation? We run this every week or every 2 weeks. It depends on the team, but that's what we've seen that works best for everyone. 2, and it's connected to the frequency. You can use this also synchronously, which means that whenever you have a meeting, a retrospective meeting, you can run this and you can get the scores in that exact moment, and you can get the data that you need to understand what exactly to improve next, and then together you can put together some action items to be working on for the next days. So yeah, that's number 2. Run this synchronously as well when you are all together. Number 3, the mindset. Alright, to use this correctly, every team member should be willing to improve. They are looking constantly for opportunity areas that could help the team be better or individual areas. But the mindset that you should have is, how can we find opportunity areas faster and what should we do about it? This will definitely work better for a team that constantly wants to improve. This is meant for that. Number 4, the engagement. So how can you keep everyone engaged, right? What we use is something that we call rewards. Every time that we finish answering a radar, you get a small gift. With this, we want to keep engagement, right? Because it's not everything always about work. We also need to have some fun. And at the end of the day, we want to increase the trust we have between each one of us. We'll get specific recommendations. Depending on the scores that you have, we're going to give you recommendations so you can improve those areas, and also you can check them out in our site. Of course, these are only recommendations. Each team is going to decide what works better for them. Spreading the culture with Tribu. This is very important because as rewards, you can also share mindsets. This is something that we use for teams that already have their values very clear and they want to send them as rewards using Tribu. So if you have mindsets or things that you would like to share among your team members, just let us know and we're going to add them for your team, and you can start receiving those as rewards as well. So the thing is to spread quickly the culture that we want so we can have the best possible teams and the best possible team members. Last but not least, use this for yourself. Remember that the team is composed of individuals, and if each individual wants to improve the team and even themselves, this is going to launch an improvement chain, which means that you're going to improve each day a little bit, and then you will be super proficient at what you do. What we want is to have the best possible work-life balance, because as you know, if you're very stressed, you're not going to be very proficient. And if you feel very loose and nothing is happening, then you're not going to be working as fast as you can or doing things in the best possible manner. Alright, so use this as a guidance for yourself as well, and feel free to share this with others. If you think that there are things that you would like to understand about yourself that are not included in Tribu, please let us know. We're going to be adding more features so you can understand yourself better. See ya!